Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I wanted to discuss the design brief and that there's no such thing as a bad one. When we're working with clients, after our initial conversation, they're going to send over a design brief and they're an essential part of the process. This will have their objectives, their tasks, what they consider to be the problem with their business, and they're looking for us to be the solution. As creatives, we're going to initially start to see solutions. It's tempting to be sucked in by the desire to start. That's when we need to stop. The design brief isn't our signal to start. The design brief is actually our signal to ask better questions, to ask more questions, to ask more in-depth questions. It's not our signal to dive in, although tempting, although it's exciting, it's what we love to do. When we receive that brief, it's our time now to have a face-to-face meeting, if possible, whether that's via Zoom or in person, or get on the phone. It's in those questions that we'll dive deeper and maybe diagnose a different problem that wasn't clear on the surface. It's not to say the client's wrong, but it's our job to maybe see other weak areas or see a more preferred way of solving this problem. We might not even be their solution. Otherwise, later down the line when we're hit by problems, once we've jumped into a client brief without asking the right question, there's no excuse saying that was a bad brief. There's no such thing as a bad brief. There's only you not following up with questions. I hope you found this video interesting. What's your next approach once you receive the brief? Do you jump straight into the project work, or do you ask questions? Do you get on another call? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one.